Welcome to Module 2. In Module 1, we laid the foundation. We started with chemicals, we moved up to cells, and then we moved to tissues. We ended Module 1 by talking about our first and most basic organ system, the integumentary system, which encompasses our skin. In Module 2, we're going to cover the two systems that help us move, our skeletal system and our muscular system. First, we need to understand what our skeletal system does. Not only does it allow us to move, but bones also protect our vital organs, support our body and posture, they store key minerals like calcium and phosphorus, and they even make blood cells. For protection, can you think of an example of a bone that functions to protect us? What about bones involved with support and body posture? Now, if we zoom into our bones, we see that there are two types of bone tissue, compact and spongy. Compact bone looks kind of like a tree trunk if you were to cut it, with layers of circular bone matrix, while spongy bone has lots of air pockets and looks like, well, a sponge. So the compact bone is what helps give our bones that strength, all of those layers working together, while the spongy bone helps us resist compression. Bone is made of cells that have lots of collagen fibers on their surface. And in there is a mineralized salt crystal matrix, again, giving bones lots of strength. If we look at the bone cells themselves, we see that there are some specific functions associated with different cells. Osteoblasts, with a B, build bone, so blasts build. And osteoclasts, with a C, those destroy our bones. Think chaos for C. Osteocytes help make that mineral matrix, and our osteogenic cells will make more osteoblasts when we need them. Our bodies will signal our osteoblasts and our osteoclasts depending on its needs. If we're growing, we're going to release growth hormone, and that will tell our osteoblasts to build and lay down more bone. Muscle activity will also increase in the activity of our osteoblasts, laying down more bone specifically where that muscle is working and straining, creating a lot of force against the bone. This is why exercise is so important for our bone health. In the reverse, parathyroid hormone, or PTH, will signal our osteoclasts, or chaos-destroying cells, to destroy our bones. This happens when our body needs more calcium. Our body will use our bones as a calcium storage center and will free up this calcium for the bloodstream by destroying our bones. So in summary, our bones have 5 major functions and are made of 2 types of tissues, compact and spongy bone. The bone tissue is made up of 4 types of cells, as well as collagen and minerals. Osteoblasts help build our bones in response to GH and muscle activity, and our osteoclasts destroy our bones in response to PTH and falling calcium levels in our blood.